Accused Fontenelle Elementary School teacher Gregory Sadlicek appeared in court today. Police arrested him earlier this week. They believe he sexually assaulted a 7-year-old child on the playground just before Thanksgiving. And today, it got worse. Good evening, I'm Craig DeGrally.
And I'm Jennifer Griswold. Prosecutors say the teacher gave them a list of more students he inappropriately touched over his years at other schools. Reporter Megan Hahn has more on that list, plus advice from experts when it comes to talking to your kids about such a difficult topic. Megan.
Thanks, Jen. Speaking with children about the topic of inappropriate touching is tough. The most important thing for parents to remember is how you react to the situation will impact how comfortable your child is with sharing information. Former first-grade teacher Gregory Sadlicek is accused of sexually assaulting a 7-year-old girl at Fontenelle Elementary. In court, prosecutors say Sadlicek gave detectives a list of other girls he had touched inappropriately at schools where he previously taught. It included the Pine Ridge Indian Reservation and Sacred Heart School. The Archdiocese of Omaha says he never worked at Sacred Heart, but was a volunteer at Holy Name. Police believe there are more victims.
And if you see something, and we tell parents, if something feels wrong in your gut, or something just feels off, you need to say something, because chances are it is.
Project Harmony, a victims advocacy group, says the greatest protection for children against sexual abuse is education. It starts with communication. When
they talk to their child, they can ask about, say in this case, the teacher, tell me about him. You want to ask very open-ended questions. What kind of things did you do with Mr. So-and-so? Tell me more about that.
Explain to the child that no one has the right to touch them without consent. They don't have to hug someone they don't want to. Discuss body safety and boundaries, and teach the correct names of body parts. Tell children they shouldn't keep secrets when it involves their bodies. Experts say most of the time children have no idea the abuse has occurred.
Grooming comes in the form of affection. This is their favorite child, or this child has been made the special child, or in the form of play. So it will be, we're going to have some silly touching games. So a lot of times children are not really even aware that any abuse has occurred.
Recognizing the signs of abuse is essential. Some of these include unusually secretive behavior, advanced sexual knowledge beyond what is age appropriate, withdrawal, sleep issues, or becoming overly aggressive.
If something feels wrong, say something.
In the state of Nebraska, everyone is a mandatory reporter of suspected abuse or neglect. Call law enforcement or Child Protective Services at 1-800-652-1999. Reporting live in studio, I'm Megan Hahn, 3 News Now.
Also from